In this video, I'll walk through our semantic search page at a high level. We'll cover text search, image search, result enrichment, and the video modal. So before we dive into the code, here's the end-to-end flow at a glance. Semantic search queries two indices, brand and creator. For text, we call post search to retrieve relevant moments across both indices. And for images, we upload or crop an image and call post search. Just FYI, both text and image search call the same 12 Labs search API, but they require different request parameters, so we implemented separate routes to shape the inputs accordingly. So once the search is done, we then merge and sort results to render a responsive result grid. And so let's look at the code. We're in app, semantic search, page.tsx. This client-side page supports text and image search, merges cross-index results, fetches video details, and renders a clickable grid. So let's start from the core states. So some core states around search. There's search query, enhanced results, is searching, has searched, etc. And there are also some states around image search, like image file, image URL, image source, etc. So let's first take a look at the text search. We go back to the app. For text search, you can just type in any text query here. So I'm going to type in dancing in group. Then the search results are showing here. And here you can also apply filters. And if you click one of the search results, then a video modal opens and it shows more details around the search result, like score and some metadata that has been generated by Analyze API like this. So if we look at the code for this part, so when we start from search input, on submit, handle text search is being called. And if we take a look at this function, you can see that it takes the search query and then it posts to API/search/text. And then we merge brand and creator results, capture total counts, and next page tokens. Then fetch video details for each hit. And then for rendering, if we go far down, so results are displayed as video card. If you take a look at this, the cards are shown with thumbnail, index badge, confidence badge, time range, format badge, and title. And lastly, if a user clicks one of the search results, then the video modal opens, as we have just seen from the app demo. So this is that modal, video modal simple, and it plays the exact segment of the search results. Now let's move on to the image search. So if you click search by image, then you can either drop an image or browse file, or you can drop an image link. For now, I have just dropped an image link, and then optionally you can crop an image like this. So I'm going to crop this part only and do the search. Then the search results are showing. And again, if you click the result, then you will see more details like score and some automatically generated metadata of this video. So if we go to the code part, so this is the image upload modal. It supports drag and drop or image URL input and optional image cropping. And to apply crop and search, we build a form data with the image and call API/search/image. As with text, results are merged across indices and enriched by fetching video details. And the same card UI and modal behavior apply as we have seen. Using video card component, showing the matched segment and metadata. So that's the high-level overview of semantic search code. We covered core states, text search, image search, and the video modal. Thanks for watching.